Doing?
Jeff's trying to show the world how to skin a pike in 1 minute after you cook it whole.
Ew. Where'd you cook that?
On the stove.
Did you guys make the fries yet?
It actually smells really good.
And I haven't eaten supper. What are you waiting for? I just came here for the fries.
You can always go to Pluckers.
I would have really liked to do that with you.
You're on YouTube right now.
Oh. Ew, he's
Hey
eating
man, that's
it.
good stuff. Hey, that's fucking good. Fucking right.
He thinks it's gross. He's trying to play cool.
Want to try a piece?
Fuck no. Eating it like
It's a boiled pike.
It's boiled?
Mm.
Is there
Right.
water over there?
I got a chunk
Is that why
of
you're
fucking,
standing down there?
I got a chunk of skin there.
Pull your case off, clean the whole thing.
I do. Oh, there was a mouse here.
How do you know?
Because Kendra seen it last time I was in here. She ran by my feet.
Actually, no bones anywhere. Oh yeah. You feel them all.
It was so cold outside. It didn't make sense. It was so over being filmed. Did you get everything up? Yeah.
How's the fish, Jeff?
Actually good. Need a little bit of lemon.
That's how you cook it? You just boil it?
Quick sliced.
Well, it was short of them.